on the street. Why ain't it flying? Why isn't it flying? I almost want to cry. Pigeon, dove, why aren't there? And look, it can't really fly. It's like, why in the world is this bird walking? You know what? I'm telling you, this air, our air feels so stifled. Look at it. Hey, dove, bird, pigeon, dove, don't go nowhere. Now, it's in the wide open where it could get hit in this major road here, and it's not flying. It's walking. I almost want to get it and take it in the house. Come here. Where are you going? Oh man, I'm about to cry. This is, this is not normal. What is this? I have never seen this in my life. It tried to fly. This bird literally tried to fly, but now it's acting in survival mode. What's interrupting your air? What is interrupting your air? This big tree right here in front of my kitchen door, side door, it was a beautiful blessing for me every morning to open my house up and hear the sounds of many birds chirping, tweeting, the beautiful sound that was part of my serenity of my morning routine. And for me to not hear this sound early mornings of my morning bird songs, I had no idea that it was part of my life, that the nature sound of the birds singing early morning was my lifestyle. The birds are very sparingly at a distance of a sound I hear. And right now, I don't think it's quite 8 o'clock. I'm not sure. I don't think it's 8 o'clock yet this morning. It's like I see so many roosters and hear the roosters. It's like they've taken over my yard. I was trying to get the ones walking across the street. But the sounds of roosters and seeing them all day, that's a blessing too, but I'm missing my morning birds song. It's like in our urban community, are birds becoming extinct regarding the song of the morning birds? Is that becoming extinct? I hear birds at a distance, but what happened to my tree right at my door used to be full of the sound of birds, baby birds. Where's the new birth? Where's the joy? Where's the peace? I want it back. Bring back the morning bird's song.